Hi guys, welcome back to another short video tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to draft a cowl neck top pattern. Don't forget to tap the subscribe button below your screen, tap the like button, and let's head right in. So the first step will be to draw a line from your bust point straight to a point in between your armhole level and your waist level. Then you're going to draw slash lines into your pattern just like I'm doing. So please note that the more slash lines you draw, the more folds or cowl folds you're going to have when you complete your pattern. And that's it for me. So now I'm just going to cut out the part that's not needed along the first slash line just like I'm doing now. And then I'm going to pick up a new piece of blank paper and draw a 3-inch guideline on it just like I've done. Then I'm going to pick up my pattern and cut out the paper from the waist level just like I'm doing now. And then I'm going to slash my dart open and transfer the dart to the new line I just slashed open. Then I'm going to slash the rest of the slash lines open just like I'm doing right now. And then I'm going to lay the pattern on top of the new blank piece of paper and arrange it just the way I'm doing right now. So you make sure the first slash line touches the guideline we drew on the blank paper. Now look at it. Now I'm going to draw a 2-inch guideline on top of this just like I'm doing right now. Now I'm going to take out the pins and cut my slash lines all the way through. So I'm going to cut it all the way through and rearrange the slash bits to create pleats or folds right here at the shoulders. So now I'm just going to connect the pleat points at the shoulders just like I'm doing right now. And then I'm going to extend it at the top by 1 inch. So that 1 inch that I've extended it by will serve as the facing of my cowl top. So now the cut out waist to hip, I'm going to remeasure it on top of my new pattern and connect to my waist. And finally, to cut it out of my fabric, I'm going to fold my fabric on bias just like this and then place my pattern paper on it, and that completes it. If you found today's tutorial helpful, please hit the thumbs up sign below your screen so that others like you can also find this video. Tap the subscribe button and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming tutorials when I post them. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.